Cool, but at least I'm safe.
Boo! Boo! Safety! Boo!
Well, when you guys start feeling weird side effects, don't come crying to
Cannonball!
No! You're gonna get me all wet.
Way to go, Grapefruit! How would you say my cannonball splash compared to his? Bigger, would you say?
Grapefruit! You splashed me all the way over here!
My splash radius is pretty epic. I'm well aware. Grapefruit! Grapefruit! Grapefruit!
Yes, I know. I rule.
I've seen better cannonballs from a snow pea. Yeah!
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Hendricks County, northwestern Marion County, southeastern Boone County, until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Brownsburg, or 16 miles west of Indianapolis, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Pittsboro, Spring Hill, Eagle Creek Reservoir, Windale, Rocky Ripple, Brownsburg, Danville, Claremont, Zionsville, Crow's Nest, Avon, Speedway, and Indianapolis. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 119 and 131. Interstate 74 between mile markers 61 and 73. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Boone, Hendricks, and Marion.